What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to go over affine cipher encryption. Basically, it deals with the equation y equals mx plus b, but in the actual affine cipher, you're going to see it as y equals ax plus b. So basically, that's pretty much the bulk of that, is pretty much plugging numbers in at that point, and then mod 26 at the end. Hopefully you guys watched that video already. But let's say we're going to use this example right here. This bottom one, this is from the Golden Gate test. So the problem asks us, encode this affine cipher, which is a quote from Bill Weld, with a equals 15 and b equals 18. So normally the test is always going to give you these two numbers, so a equals 15 and b equals 18. So when we're first trying to start this problem, we're going to write out the equation for that using y equals ax plus b. So according to the problem, a was 15, b was 18. So we're just going to plug that into the problem, and that's going to give us 15x plus 18. So now what we do afterwards, we basically have our, I guess, let's call it affine equation. So what we're going to do with that equation is we're going to take a look at the ciphertext that we're given. So as you know, each of these letters corresponds with a number. And then, sorry for the whole camera quality, you can't really see it that well, but this word over here spells there. So we're going to look on our chart. We're going to first focus on the letter T. So we know that the letter T is 19. So just for now, above the letter T, we're going to write 19. And we're just going to have that as reference. And what you can do during the competition is that you can go through each of these letters and find the numbers and then just write them on top. And then once you're finished writing all the numbers, then you can actually get into the calculations. So let's focus on the letter T for now. So we know that T is 19. So we're going to replace that for X. So that's going to give us 15 times 19 plus 18. So if we use our calculator, again, you shouldn't be using a graphing calculator in the actual competition. You'll probably get disqualified for that. So, but I'm just using this for visual representation. So 15 times 19 plus 18, that gives us 303. So let's go ahead and write that down. Again, you don't really need to write any of this. It's kind of time consuming. You really just need to do it all on your calculator. But anyways, so we have the number 303, and this is where mod 26 comes in. And I hope you guys remember how to do that. All we're doing is just dividing 303 by 26, then subtracting the whole number, and then multiplying it by 26. So let's just try to do that quickly. So divide 26. We know 11 is our whole number, so subtract 11. Then we just have the decimal. Then we just multiply by 26. That gives us 17. And if we look on our chart, we know that 17 is R. So I'll just say that's R, and if we go back to our example, we can fill in R for this one. All right, I'll just do one more. So the next letter is H. So if we look on our chart, we know that H is 7. So all we're doing is just plugging in 7 for X. So y equals 15 times 7 plus 18. Then 15 times 7 plus 18, 123 divided by 26, subtract 4 times 26, that gives us 19. And then if we look on our chart, we know that 19 is going to be T. And then we can go ahead and fill that out over here. So hopefully that was helpful. That's pretty much all what encryption is for affine ciphers. I'll go into decrypting affine ciphers, which is a little bit different. It's a little bit more complicated, but not too hard. And I'll do that in the next video. So hopefully this video helped out. Make sure you guys give me questions if you're confused about anything. And yeah, thanks for watching, I guess.